Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering proofs: passport data page, Emirates ID, and any visas or boarding passes you still have. Once done, choose the right agency, Immigration ICA, for federal records or the relevant GDRFA for Emirate-level entries. Make sure to note exact travel dates and the reason you need the history. This speeds approval. Then prepare a short cover letter and scanned ID files so you can immediately upload or attach them when you open the agency's request channel. You now submit the request through the chosen channel, online portal if available, otherwise official email or visa counter. Attach clear scans, a concise cover letter, and include your contact phone and reference numbers. Once submitted, pay any required fee and record the transaction ID. This is how you track progress. If you do not receive an acknowledgement within 48-72 hours, call the service center and provide the reference. This prevents delays and lets you correct any missing information quickly. You will receive the travel history as an official PDF or stamped letter. Review it carefully to confirm all entries and dates match your records. If something is missing or incorrect, notify the issuing authority immediately and provide supporting evidence like boarding passes or visas. If you do not get any reply, escalate by visiting the immigration desk in person or contacting your embassy for assistance. A single troubleshooting tip: always keep scanned backups of all submitted documents to resend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.